This is 1.3 mechanical pencil from Agile. We know that Agile and Schoolmate were the brands of Ad pens. This pack says that this pencil cost rupees 20. This pencil is a bulky pencil while compared with regular pencils, and what is new here is the 1.3 mm tip. Yes, different. We have seen 1.0 pens and 2.0 pencils and even 0.9 pencils, and this is the 1.3 mm lead. Comes with free lead box at the price point rupees 20. Schoolmate, the brand from Agile. Let's compare with a regular pen how bulky the pencil is. Sturdy build, looks sturdy in hand, and the back, it is a fully rubber. Nice grip. Agile is also having a same die cast for a pen too. This is the eraser, which is fully the eraser. The top of the eraser is designed with the Agile's symbol. Look at the lead size, 1.3 mm. They say that it needs no sharpener to sharpen it. Yes, somehow it writes slim and dark also for a 1.3 tip. Nice move from Schoolmate Agile at this price point rupees 20. Thanks for watching.